morning Year 2 and welcome to another maths session. In today's session we're going to be recapping subtraction. When we're thinking about subtraction, which sign do we need to look out for? Good, it's this sign here. Let's make a start. So my first number sentence, I have 32 minus 12. I'm going to use column subtraction to calculate the answer to this sum. So let's start by looking at our column subtraction. So we have 32 minus 12. Okay, and remember, just like with column addition, we need to start with the numbers in the ones column. Okay, so 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Well done. Really simple. We're going to be using column subtraction to calculate the answers to our questions today. Let's have a look at the next question. 35 minus 18. Okay, so I'm going to write up 35 minus 18. And once again, I'm going to start with my numbers in the ones column. Okay, so 5 minus 8. Can I do that? No, I can't do that. So what is it I need to do now? I need to go next door, look at the number in the next column, and I need to take one of their numbers. So the 3 becomes a 2, okay? And the number that I've taken, so I've taken one from the number in the next column, I write that here next to my number here. So now 5 has become 15. So I now have 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. And what we need to remember with our column subtraction is we don't always have to go next door and take a number from the next column. It's only when the top number here is smaller than the number underneath, okay? And that's in our ones column, okay? So make sure you remember that for the next set of questions. So for the next set of questions, I'm going to read out the question to you. I'm going to then ask you to pause the video so that you've got time to go through each sum carefully. Okay, let's have a look. So now I want you to pause the video and use column subtraction to calculate the answer to this question. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. 26 minus 21. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. Very simple. Well done if you got that answer correct. Let's move on to the next question. You can now pause the video. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. 87 minus 54. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Again, well done if you got the answer to that question correct. Let's go on to the next question. You may pause the video, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. 63 minus 37. Okay? So here, 3 minus 7. Can I do 3 minus 7? No. So I need to take a number from the next column. So the 6 becomes a 5. And write the 1 here so that I know the 3 has now become 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Well done if you got the answer to that question correct. Let's go on to the next question. Pause the video, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. 50 minus 16. Okay, can I do 0 minus 6? No, I can't. So I need to take a number from the next column. So the 5 becomes a 4. And I write my 1 here, so the 0 becomes a 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Well done. Excellent. Well done if you're getting through these questions. Let's go on to our final number sentence. 67, take away 35, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. 67 minus 35. Once again, I start with the numbers in the ones column. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Well done if you got the answer to that question correct. I'm now going to leave you with some questions that I want you to work through by yourself. And don't forget to post any home learning you're doing on our Twitter page. Thank you very much for listening, Year 2. Bye-bye.